Yo, welcome to this video, guys. It is at the end of the month, 30 days into the month here. Let me show you 30 days in the month. Boom, baby, 30 days, okay? And let me refresh real quick. Boom, baby. Boom. Okay, so basically, Max Bounty is one of the biggest income streams for me, and thank goodness for it. Max Bounty is a quality network. They have some of the best offers for sweepstakes, okay? This is a fail-proof method you guys can use. I'm going to go over a bunch of strategies, a bunch of tactics you guys can do in this video. Fail-proof. You can make $1,000 a day, just like me, just from affiliate marketing, easily if you implement what I'm about to teach you. Okay. So I'm not going to show you like the exact offers, but offers like this right here. Okay. Offers like this. Offers like this. Okay. Win iPhones, win gift cards, win all this stuff. These work and they convert very high. You just need a lot of traffic. Okay. How I'm able to do this is with a lot of YouTube traffic. And that's the key, man. Just tons of YouTube traffic. There's no better way to make money online than YouTube organic traffic, bro. Paid ads is one of my favorite ways with adult. Okay. So I'm going to talk to you about how you can actually make money with CPA marketing, sweepstake offers, or anything else just from adult traffic as well. Okay. Paid ads. Because it's so cheap, it's basically free. It's basically free traffic. It's like totally fail proof, bro. Okay. If we were to search for offers just for fun, I could show you guys some cool stuff. If you sort by APC instantly right off the bat, it's fun. Okay, you're able to see literally what are the best offers here. All these offers here, they're great. I don't even promote all these right here. Bitcoin, I stay away from most times, but it can work. Especially if you make a YouTube channel around Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, these offers can work. If you do an offer around health, this can work. Now, stuff regarding like paid ads, you want something very broad appeal, especially if you're doing adult advertising. Something very broad appeal, like a lot of people would like it, okay, or at least be more interested in it and even understand it. That's like the key, like people would understand. Facebook ads would do great with something like keto right here. These offers pay out pretty high ticket, and that is why the EPC is higher than usual, what you would usually see. Okay, now if you want to see sweepstakes, here we are. We can see sweepstakes, email submits, all this different stuff. So these offers, I definitely promote. I promote most of these right here. Okay, UK, Australia, it doesn't matter. What happens is you can promote these offers and a percentage will always convert. Like I go big with it. And I have some tricks about how if it's someone from New Zealand, they're going to go to the New Zealand offer. Okay, you can use a link that's basically, it tracks the person where they're coming from and pushes them to a specific offer you want to do. So that's a little bit more advanced, but it's really easy to do. You just literally go to volume. It's a tracker tool that can basically push out. It can like figure out what the traffic is and push it to different things. You can sell traffic instantly. Okay, you can push, it gets crazy. Okay, there's advanced strategies to make you money online, and it's very worth it to learn. And it took me a long time to learn. I very much so value my abilities of what I figured out over time, and it doesn't come easy. It doesn't come easy to learn, but it comes easier when someone tells you exactly what to do. It took me a long time to figure stuff out. These are survey offers. Okay, I promote a lot of survey offers too. Okay, survey offers, basically people can make money just doing surveys. And look, they pay out pretty freaking good. Okay, a lot of money's made from just doing that. And my YouTube channel, that's a massive YouTube channel that I have. It's my second YouTube channel. I like to call it my second YouTube channel, but I have a lot of YouTube channels, but this one's just for affiliate marketing, and it's not a personal brand or anything like that. It's like just for affiliate marketing, and it's entertainment, funny stuff, fails, anything trending, it's all there. It's like, it's compounded over time, crazy, and it's organic, just traffic all the time. Okay, so you send people to a landing page, and I have quite a few different landing pages. You collect emails on one. I have two different opt-in funnels where I collect emails, and then I literally have a whole offer wall page of a bunch of offers. Then I have landing pages just to offers. Okay, and I have different tricks of how I, convince people to do it and stuff like this. But anyway, I talk about that inside a sweepstake course and all this stuff. But paid information is the best, and very, very valuable stuff there. Okay. If we move on here, we can look at this. This is fail-proof. Udemy, okay? Let's go to the homepage of Udemy, not even sign up for Udemy. Looks like we don't have a homepage. Oh, here it is. Okay. So to explain what this is, basically you guys can leverage other people's email lists and pay them per email and it's pretty freaking great because it's warm traffic, okay? This traffic is basically someone else's list of people who know, like, and trust them, where you can leverage that as long as they're somewhat relevant to the niche, and you can actually promote freaking offers, okay? And these offers could be these survey offers, these sweepstake offers, all this stuff. But you want to test it, okay? I'm not going to tell you like it's totally fail-proof. Like, you have to have some skin in the game and testing. You got to know how to test stuff. Like, if stuff you test works, double down and keep doing it. Okay, profitable affiliate programs. You can be an affiliate for this, whatever. The best way to do that would just be start making content on YouTube and promote this if you want to be an affiliate for Udemy. Because look, you can make 15 to 50%. If they make 1,000 orders, you'll get 1,000 payments. Yes. Okay, so basically it's high quality advertising because it's solo ads. And solo ads is basically emails, okay? Now let me show you this YouTube account without me being logged in here to this YouTube account to show you guys, like, YouTube suggests top performing videos. These videos have good metrics. They have high watch time, high click-through rate, and they're very broad appeal. So you can learn a lot about cold traffic just from going to a YouTube account that's not logged in. I wanted to show you guys this. These are big performing videos. Like, if you break down videos like this, you can totally crush it with paid ads. Like, I put a lot of time in my life in studying cold traffic and how it works and what appeals to people. And it can blow your mind, but you gotta know what you're looking for. Like, you'll see a lot of Mr. Beast here. He's studied the crap out of it, and he's doing high rarity stuff. Okay, stuff that basically you can't copy. You'll see a lot of music videos here. Crazy. But anyway, my point is, we're showing YouTube here. This is the content I like to make, but I don't show my face. I don't talk over the video that much. Okay, I like to add fair use and commentary, but I don't show my face. Okay. I have a lot of videos, a lot, okay? And they all appeal to stuff like this, okay? So people come in YouTube, they click around, they watch a bunch of freaking videos, like, yo, this is lit, okay? And they watch. But these are a lot of music videos, but guess what? You can make freaking fair use from freaking music videos. Ever heard of reactions and stuff like this, okay? I'm talking big trending freaking videos. And it's insane, okay? This is a weird video right there. Really weird. Look at that. This person right there. Okay, let's keep going. Hopefully that explains it pretty well. YouTube has the most traffic in the world, just so you know. Like, if you look right here in SimilarWeb, this site shows you how many people per month. This is the most visited website basically on earth other than Google. Okay, Facebook's right after this one, I believe. So 33 billion, that means every day there's a billion freaking people going to YouTube. That's a lot. That's a lot, okay? On average, every single page visited, that would be basically 11 pages on average visited. So they're watching a lot of videos, spend a lot of time on YouTube. It's making money for everybody. Where attention goes, money flows, baby. Okay, so make good content. Make content people enjoy and what attention's already around. And it adds up. And imagine you had, this is such a funny video. Imagine if you guys had 5,000 videos. Imagine if you had 10,000 videos. That takes a while to add up. I mean, I started at a young age making videos on that one channel. But I can tell you right now, it adds up. And imagine every video getting like 10 views to 100 views per day. You end up with hundreds of thousands of views per day, and that's how it's done, baby. Okay, free. It's free traffic. Free traffic makes money, okay? So anyway, paid traffic does too. Now let's talk about adult. This is my demonstration account for you guys to show you guys stuff. Don't want to have to blur out campaigns and things like this. So basically, this is Traffic Junkie. They have sites like Pornhub and other sites inside their network you can advertise on, which is basically the size of YouTube, essentially, with the traffic volume here. It's insane, and it's basically free because it's so cheap. The traffic with adult is the cheapest in the world. There's tons of it. I'm literally teaching people gold here and how to actually crush it online and make a lot of money, like more money than you know what to do with. Like, I'm in the situation in my life where I don't know what to do with myself money-wise. It's bad. So I'm learning stuff about real estate, investing, and stuff like this, and it's pretty crazy because I don't know what to do with it. Don't you want to be in the situation where you don't know what to do with yourself because you have so much money? I just figured might as well spend most of my time acquiring money Okay, that's why every day I make videos, every day run ads, every freaking day maintain stuff, every single day plan and strategize for next moves. This is how you fail proof your life. Okay? Remember, money's a superpower. Remember, money, you may not have the ability to fly or have super strength or be like Hulk or something, but money is a superpower. And you want fail proof ways to make money. And there are frameworks. And I'm showing you quite a few right now. Okay? You can go to Max Bounty or any CPA network, start promoting offers like this, man. All these offers. All these offers, okay? If we were to look at some more offers, we can see email submits, okay? Pretty much the same as sweepstakes. It's funny they totally kept them separate when they could put them together, but anyway, bunch of the top offers are right here. Imagine per click, making 40 cents per click. That's what happens. And it's freaking amazing, okay? Now if we go over here, let me show you. Okay, so Traffic Junkie is great. You set up a quick campaign. It's super easy, guys. I have actually tutorials on this channel explaining how to set it up. It's super easy. Next thing is Propeller Ads. Okay, I love this freaking site. This site's one of the smaller pop under networks. Okay, what happens is someone clicks on a random site they're visiting, and they get a new browser window. Okay, and tab actually, a new tab opened up behind the scenes, and it's directly to your site. You don't need to have any banner creatives. You just literally link to stuff. This is my favorite traffic source in the world. Not just Plug Rush, but in general, pop under traffic. Okay, so you could promote sweepstake offers, anything that's a lead gen offer. You can easily promote, okay, to on sites like this, okay, Plug Rush, and you can make a lot of money, guys. This is a big opportunity for anyone out there. I'm crushing it with Pop Under. Pop Under is one of my favorite income streams because it's the easiest. Once again, you set it up in 2 minutes, okay, 2 to 10 minutes, and all you do is you link to something to sell, and it works, and it converts with the traffic, and it's like, no one's doing this. Okay, I have in-depth training on this that will come out. It can radically transform people's lives. Okay, I know some people out there are broke, and it sucks, and I totally understand it, but I believe you can totally make it out of the ashes. You can totally have your dreams come true. It is insane. And by the way, money is something you should be focusing on. If you're wasting your time watching video games or watching movies and stuff like this, that's fine. You can do some of that. It's inherently okay to, waste time, because that is considered wasting time in the big picture of doing bigger, better stuff for yourself, okay? But anyway, Plug Rush is a very powerful site. Okay, now the next one I'll show you, it also has pop under traffic, is ExoClick. They're an adult network. You can crush it with too, and you can promote just adult offers, guys, with all this, but you can promote stuff outside of adult. You can promote stuff like sweepstakes and survey offers once again, but mainly with all I do on Max Bounty, it's basically all free traffic. I like to test some stuff sometimes with paid traffic, but it's like all profit, bro. Everything you see, okay, over there, it's crazy. Freaking adult traffic is amazing, man. It's freaking great. Okay, ExoClick, they mainly have it as their biggest site. It's called X Videos. That's basically the size of Pornhub or whatever. It's a big site. It's basically, they're as big as Facebook in impression-wise, like how many impressions they can get across the site. It may be even more than that. Because Facebook has a lot of placements, obviously, but per day, it's billions, okay, with these adult sites, okay? I mean, they have so many placements, it's ridiculous. They have pop under abilities, so that's another element of it all. It's like they have pop under. Facebook doesn't have pop under. YouTube traffic doesn't have pop under. I'm not saying it's the key to winning. I am saying it's just another way. So yeah, ExoClick, Plug Rush. There's other sites like Traffic Junkie, Traffic Factory. You can look into it more, guys. I got more videos on this channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in more videos. Check out more value in description, and peace out, learning machines.